turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a 25mm Torx bit, unscrew the retaining screws on the lower casing section of the dashboard. Then, remove it by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. You should now be able to see the location of the cabin filter flange as well as the 2 screws that need to be removed to access the filter. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm bit, unscrew the retaining screws. Then, pull out the flange. Once removed, take the cabin filter and pull it towards you to extract it from the compartment, lifting any cables that get in the way. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Make sure you identify the airflow arrows in order to position it the right way round. Don't hesitate to fold the filter to insert it more easily. Put the flange back on. Then, screw the 2 retaining screws back in using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm bit. Put the casing back on, clipping it in to start with. Finish by putting the retaining screw back. Operation completed.